second of rain.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Homework Genius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the elimination method. Let's find all solutions of the system. We are given the system of equations 3x squared plus 2y equals 26 and 5x squared plus 7y equals 3. The first thing we need to do here is eliminate one of the variables so we can solve for the other variable. Let's start by eliminating the x's. To do that, we need to consider that when we add these two x's, we are able to cancel them out. So if we multiply that 3 by a 5, we will get 15. And if we multiply that 5 by a negative 3, we will get negative 15, and we'll be able to cancel those out. But if we're going to multiply any of the terms by a number, we have to multiply the entire equation by the same number. So let's multiply that first equation by a 5, and let's multiply that second equation by a negative 3. So if we do that, we will get 15x squared plus 10y equals 130. And for the second equation, we will get negative 15x squared minus 21y equals negative 9. And now we can add these two equations. So we know that the 15x squared minus 15x squared cancel out, and we have 10y minus 21y is negative 11y equals 130 minus 9 is 121. And now we can solve for y. So let's divide by negative 11 on both sides. So we have y equals negative 11. So now we can back substitute. We found our y, so now we need to find our x. And to do that, we can take that y and plug it into one of our equations to solve for x. So let's pick that first equation on top. 3x squared plus 2y equals 26. And instead of that y here, let's plug in that negative 11. So 3x squared plus 2 times negative 11 equals 26. And now we can solve for x. So we have 3x squared equals 48, so x squared equals 16, and let's square root both sides, so we're left with x equals 4 and x equals negative 4. So we have two x's, which means that the equations are not linear because they cross the axes twice. So we're left with 2 points. We have our x's and our y here. So we'll start with that first x, 4, negative 11, and our second x, negative 4, and our y, negative 11. And these 2 points are where the two equations intersect. So if you remember our given equations, let's rewrite them down here. 3x squared plus 2y equals 26, and 5x squared plus 7y equals 3. These 2 points that we found here are where these two equations intersect. Let's go ahead and graph them so you can visualize it. Let's start by graphing our 2 points that we found. 4, negative 11, and negative 4, negative 11. And let's graph that first equation, 3x squared plus 2y equals 26. At x equals 0, y equals 13. So we'll plot that point at 0, 13. And it's a parabola facing down that crosses through those 2 points. And now we can graph our 5x squared plus 7y equals 3 at x equals 0, y equals 3 over 7. So we can plot that point here. And again, it's a parabola that faces down that intersects through those 2 points that we found. And that's what it looks like. Here's the full problem so you can screenshot it for your notes. I hope this video helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.